is America's maple-chugging neighbor to the north, Canada. Trump has been teasing this for a while. He has seemingly joked about making Canada the 51st state of America, of the US. But apparently Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau is taking this quite seriously. Trudeau had a hot mic moment on Friday while talking to Canadian business leaders. This is what he said.
Mr. Trump has it in mind and what he feels it is a real thing in my conversations with him.
Trudeau said that Trump's 51st state rhetoric is quote-unquote the real thing. He thinks that Trump is dead serious about acquiring Canada and he wants to find a way out of the situation. Trump was asked about Trudeau's hot mic moment. He was asked if absorbing Canada was indeed a real thing. And this is what Donald Trump said, and I'm quoting, "Yeah, it is. I think Canada would be much better off being a 51st state because we lose $200 billion a year with Canada, and I'm not going to let that happen. It is too much. Why are we paying $200 billion a year essentially in subsidy to Canada? Now, if they're a 51st state, I don't mind doing it." Trump says the US is subsidizing Canada to the tune of $200 billion every year. He's talking about the US trade deficit with Canada. The US imports more than it sells to its northern neighbor, so it runs a deficit with Canada. Trump thinks of this as a subsidy, and he doesn't want to pay it anymore unless, of course, Canada joins the US. That way, the US gets control of Canada's natural resources. It won't have to buy them anymore. Just invest in extraction. That is the 51st state subsidy that Trump is implying. Again, it is classic imperialism. Conquer resource-rich land instead of buying goods from the locals. Couple this rhetoric with Trump's Gaza plan and his dreams about Greenland and the Panama Canal, it feels like we've gone back to 1825, the age of colonialism, of gunboat diplomacy, resource capture, and forced displacement. We've seen this play out before, and it left scars that haven't healed in generations. Trump's desires threaten to inflict those wounds on the earth once again.